Hello everyone, this is my review of the Volcanic Cosmetic Serum. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy or sticky feeling, making it easy to use every day. I mainly use it on my skin after showering, and it leaves my skin feeling soft, hydrated, and smooth. It really helps lock in moisture, especially in dry areas, and my skin feels more nourished throughout the day rather than drying out. My wife app started using a small amount on her hair, mainly on the ends, and it has made a noticeable difference. It helps reduce frizz, adds a healthy shine, and makes her hair feel smoother without weighing it down or making it look oily. Another thing I really like is the scent. It's subtle and clean, not overpowering at all. Overall, the serum has been great for both skin and hair. It's easy to use, feels luxurious, and actually delivers results. If you're looking for a versatile product that nourishes, hydrates, and smooths, this one has worked really well for me. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.